Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to XRP. I do see a lot of buying pressure from XRP today, and it just caught my attention because I was just surfing around, and I just thought, what's going on with the coin? Because again, the coin is getting a lot of attention on my side as well. So here we go. And as far as I remember, telling you that we have this very big, huge, descending, whatever. It's almost like a triangle coming in for the squeeze right there that actually popped to the upside. So there's an amazing technical target that was met some few days ago, which was here, maybe some couple of months ago, not even a few days ago. And right now you have this left shoulder head and the right shoulder, so you're making a bullish pattern to try to move to the upside. And as far as I told you, that potentially if we try to break above this area and back test it, then we can actually go all the way up here. Now the thing that got my attention is that this pump happened, and if you look at XRP, there's nothing bad with XRP. Like, this has been the best performing coin in the past few days. A lot of coins have been down, so many shit coins have been down, but if you look at XRP, it's pretty much not even affected at all. Like, it's at the very same place, just as Bitcoin used to be in the same place. I don't know if SEC is a part of the securities coin that the SEC is claiming right now for so many altcoins, and that's the reason why XRP wasn't affected, because it was outside of the security SEC security token or something like that. Now at the moment you still have some work to do. Okay, this is just a pump, and a very quick pump which has now turned into a wick. So momentarily you had the buyer stepping in, and the sellers right over here push it down. Speaking of sellers, they're sitting right over here. Okay, this is where the sellers are, and they're not allowing the prices to basically climb up. Now if the buyers are strong enough to actually defeat the sellers, you're looking for a very big move for XRP right here. Now if you zoom out of this thing just a little bit, you do have the trend line. If I just try to drag it a little bit, or let me just take a new trend line right there, and considering the wicks that you have, I'm just going to drag it right from there all the way like that. Okay, so this is your very big resistance right now. So you do have one touch, move down, second touch, move down, another touch right here. So you want to be very careful for another move to the downside as well, because that's the resistance where the sellers are sitting. Just as I told you, sellers were sitting here, they push the prices down. The sellers are sitting right there, pushes down, and right here pushes down. Now let's say the buyers do end up winning against all the sellers, all this resistance forming up right here, then you do have a technical target that the buyers are going to be pushing the prices from there to there, and we might be looking at a very big move all the way up to 0.74, which is huge. That's almost like a 24 to 30% move to the upside. And that's all for this update on XRP. I just want to see if this resistance is going to be broken, and you do have a pattern, but it's not in play right now. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.